how to use typewriter effects in Adobe Premiere in 2026. So here is what you can do. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my source and drag the video into the timeline. Next, on the left toolbar here, we're going to drag in type tool, and I'm just going to draw a text box here. Now put in the text that you want to use. So I'll copy in some text. Then over here you click on effects, or you can go to window and then choose effects, and then in the search box you type in typewriter, and here it is. It shows under the video transition folder, and then you click on that. Here we're going to drag the text to the beginning of the video, so place this on the timeline where you want to start the text. Then we drag in the effects into here. Next, you can click on that and you can change the timeline from up here, or you can right click here and click on set transition duration. So let's say I want to slow down the typing. I can set it to 5 seconds and click on OK. If I click on it, if you want to show the tools, so if I go down here, the character controls, so you can see this cursor icon. So that's it. So here you can enable the character controls, and then after you can add in the audio sound to sync it with your text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.